I feel like this room goes from being like in order to out of order really fast, but it's because I always keep it closed. Still haven't taken these diapers back. This is stuff that needs to go somewhere else. All of that stuff needs to do something else with it. Just overwhelmed. There's so much to do. We're not cleaning this room quite yet today. I'm just gonna get the baby's bag, all the stuff that's going in the baby's bag, and then all the stuff's going in my bag, in my bag. Problem is that the stuff I put in the washer earlier is still not out because, well, it's out of the washer. It's in the dryer now. I'm slowly losing it. I don't want to do this anymore, but I have to. We can do this. I'm going to go get, wow, my belly looks really shiny and round. I can do this. I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to go get the bag I'm going to use for my hospital bag. This bag is kind of on the smaller side, but I figure I'll just pack it full. First thing I'm gonna do is throw my slippers in there. All my clothes are still downstairs in the washer, but it's got this little side pocket here. I don't know if I'll throw these slippers away, probably after I'm done at the hospital because they were just like cheap little $10 slippers. What am I gonna need during labor? I'm not really taking much for during. I'm gonna bring a JBL speaker and a charger. This will charge my phone and it will charge the speaker. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera or if I'm just gonna film on my phone. Not sure. I'm not getting a big old long 10-foot cord because if I need to plug my phone in, I'll just plug it in and then I won't be on it while it's plugged in. If the plug-in is too far away from me, like I just don't need to be on my phone 24/7 if it needs to charge, you know what I'm saying? And then any other electronic type stuff, I'll throw over in this pocket. Put my labor comb in there just to help, you know, with the pain. And then I have a little rolly ball somewhere like that can be rolled on my lower back, but I'm not really sure where that is. So I've got all my toiletries down here and I'm not bringing my regular toiletry bag, but I'm gonna bring this little thing. Got this little set on Amazon. It comes with 2 of this size bag, 3 of these size bags, and then like a bigger carrying bag. Not the best of quality, but they're better than, you know, nothing. One of these smaller bags, I'm gonna put toothbrush and toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste, and that's it, because I don't want anything else touching the toothbrushes. So, in the medium-sized bag, I'm gonna put my shower stuff. So I've got my cleanser, my moisturizer, a little sample of shampoo and conditioner. It's not the kind I regularly use, but it's not a big deal. Deodorant, I'll just throw in there as well. And then a little small size of Dove soap, the same soap I use at home. I'm gonna be better about this. Let me try to like make this look nicer. Look at me trying to like actually be organized. All right, not so great, but not so terrible. Zip her up. Okay, toiletries, bam. Put that in there. And then the toothbrush and stuff will also go right there in the side. I'm gonna throw the Hibiclens in there as well. Sometimes the hospital will give you this, sometimes they won't. The hospital I gave birth to last time, I had a C-section, so I don't know if they'll give it to me if I have vaginal delivery or not, but I want to have it because I just would rather have it. Okay, bathroom stuff, donezo. I got a little tripod. I'm going to put that in the electronics section. And then I'm actually going to take my labor comb out and I'm going to put it on this outside pocket here with my scrunchie. Where'd my scrunchie go? I just had a scrunchie. Oh, there it is. I'm going to take a scrunchie, a hair tie, this comb. This will be for like during labor. I'm going to put it just right on the outside so it's easily accessible. I just found $1. What? Oh my God, and something else. Oh, some lip balm, lanolin lip balm. I have pads and diapers. I'm going to save these for home because I'm going to be wearing the ones that the hospital gives me. So I'm not taking those with me. I don't know if it's going to fit inside of here or not. Okay. So far, now I just need to fit clothes in here. Oh my gosh. This might be too small. All I need to fit in here is my going home outfit, which is bulky, and then my 2 robes and a couple pairs of socks. And the rest of what will go in here is going to be my going home outfit and then the robes and a couple nursing bras, 2 nursing bras, a nursing tank top, and then the nightgown. That's gonna be my bag, and I don't think I'm gonna need anything else in there. Showed you this in the last one, but I've added a couple things. I'm gonna put the changing pad in the back. Some of this stuff is not stuff I'm gonna use in the hospital, like I told you last time, but I'm just gonna pack this like so that it'll be ready for, you know, having a baby. I want the diapers and wipes to be super accessible, so I'm gonna put the diapers and wipes right in the front. Diapers and wipes are gonna go in the big pocket because as the baby gets older, the diapers are gonna get bigger and bigger and they're gonna need to go back here. So diapers and wipes in the big pocket. Just a couple more. Gonna make the burp cloths pretty easily accessible. Put them right here in the front. I've got these little wet one hand wipes. They're just like if you get something on your hands. I'm gonna put those in this front zipper pocket so that they're easy to get to as well. I'm gonna keep the wrap at home because I'm gonna have like more clothes in here than typical and a blanket, so I'm gonna leave that here. I got this little outfit. I'll show you it backwards. This is her little announcement like romper. I'm gonna do this with like probably these socks. It has her name on it, so I'm not gonna show you the front. But that's gonna go in there. All the clothes I'm just gonna throw in the bottom. And then I showed you guys this last time. I'm gonna throw these in the middle too. Socks and all the bows I'm gonna throw in a zipper pocket on the inside. It's gonna be so cute on her head. She also has this hat from my friend JC's mom, and we'll hopefully be able to take a picture of her with the hospital blanket so it'll match that. I'm gonna throw that in that same pocket with all that stuff. The copper pearl swaddle, just throw that down in the middle somewhere. So potentially going home outfit. It's nothing special. It's just something to put on the baby that can be a going home outfit. And then this is also nothing special. It's just a little Nike outfit that I think is cute. And so if she ends up being a little bit bigger, because I think this is a 3-month, then she can wear this home. Also gonna throw these little booties in there in case it's really cold, just to keep her feetsies warm. A thing of Aquaphor on the side of the bag, just like that. And then this nipple cream, I'm also gonna throw on the side with the Aquaphor. Debating whether or not to bring these just in case I'm there for more than a day, but I just feel like I wanna have space in the top to put a blanket. I'm not gonna end up taking these. I'm gonna leave these. I'm not gonna put any bottles or anything because I'm planning on breastfeeding. I think the last thing I'm gonna put in here is her name sign. I'm just gonna try to squeeze that in the front. Okay, so obviously I won't have so many clothes in there. I'll probably just have like one set of clothes in there. But we're pretty packed up. I'm gonna put one blanket on the top. I have the swaddle in there. Here's our bags. I have a couple more things to throw in mine. Obviously they're in the dryer. And then baby's bag is ready to go. It's also got these shirts from JC's mom. Let me push you back a little bit. If you don't know who JC is, JC's one of my old college teammates. She was a really good friend of mine, and she passed away in 2020 while she was giving birth to her son. Her mom and I keep in touch. We talk every so often, you know. Leanne, JC's mom, made these shirts for the kids. So this one's for Kai, promoted to Big Brother finally. And then for Jay, Big Brother again. And for Mara, they're pumped because they were asking me, are we gonna get shirts? Are we gonna get shirts? Promoted to Big Sister again. So they'll wear those, well, whenever they want, but probably when they meet the baby, we'll put those on them. Thank you for watching up to this point. It's a little bit cray-cray, and that's gonna be it for this video. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Stick around so you don't miss the baby being born, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.